From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good Thursday morning. I'm student meteorologist Tyler Hughes with your Campus Weather Service forecast for this morning. And let's start with a look on our live camera over Beaver Stadium at this hour. Mount Nittany out there in the distance. You can see clouds around and not a peak of blue sky at this hour. A temperature of 48 degrees as you head out the door. And the clouds are going to stick around today, and so are the rain showers. The good news is it's going to be warm, above average temperatures today, but we stay rainy. We get a break from the rain tomorrow, sort of. We may see an isolated shower, but the clouds are going to hang around, and the rain returns on Saturday as well. We don't get a break from this rainfall until Sunday, and we'll time that out for you in the Futurecast coming up. Temperatures out the door this morning are in the mid to upper 40s, 50s in some locations, especially across the southern tier. And the good news is that'll continue to warm up as we head into later today. See this warm front here? Temperatures behind it in the 60s in Memphis, New Orleans, Tulsa as well. Those 60s are going to be making their way into our region when this warm front moves northward later today. In fact, we're already just a little bit warmer than we were this time yesterday. We're 14 degrees warmer here in State College than we were 24 hours ago, 17 degrees warmer in Williamsport as well. But the real story is that there's a lot more moisture in the air. The dew point this morning is 29 degrees warmer than it was this time yesterday here in State College. The dew point in Franklin, 32 degrees warmer, and it's that moisture that's feeding the rain showers that are out there right now on our radar satellite. You can see we had a heavier band of showers make their way through this morning, maybe even a couple of rumbles of thunder that were embedded in some of these showers. And as we head through into later today, expect another batch of showers to begin to make their way through, currently across the southwestern portion of the state as well. When you zoom out, you can see the flow of moisture here across the central U.S. into Pennsylvania, and that is what will be feeding the shower activity throughout the day today. When we time it out in the Futurecast for you, you can see as we head into later today, maybe a break in some of the showers, but expect on and off rainfall throughout the day. That's a safe bet. As we head through into later today, the showers become more widespread, maybe even a couple of rumbles of thunder embedded in some of these too. I can't rule that out. But as we head into tomorrow, notice a few things. First of all, the wind shifts northward, so we cool things down just a little bit. And also that north wind will keep some of the rain to our south. So it looks like rain for much of the day tomorrow is going to be confined to the southern tier of Pennsylvania, Pittsburgh, Johnstown, over through the capital region and the Philly metro as well. The good news is we stay dry for the most part in State College, aside for the chance of a passing shower. That's not the story for Saturday, though. When we look at the extended Futurecast, check out this low pressure system that begins to make its way northeast as we head into later Saturday. Mostly rain for Pennsylvania, and that's the good news for this time of year, right? Maybe a touch of snowfall and mixing up in the higher elevations of the Poconos and the northeast part of the state as well, but for the most part, we are all rain that continues throughout the day on Saturday. We really only begin to clear things up Sunday morning, and Sunday morning, the sun comes out as well, right? A welcome break from some of that rainfall. So by the time all is said and done, we pick up almost an inch of rainfall here in State College, over 2 inches of rainfall in Pittsburgh, and almost 1.5 inches in Johnstown by Sunday morning. So good rain to start off our spring, right? All right. Temperatures today, mid-60s here in State College, showers, maybe an isolated downpour with some gusty winds possible. Throughout the state, expect highs to be in the mid-60s. I think we could break 70 in a few spots. Harrisburg on this map, maybe a couple of other isolated locations. I don't think State College will break 60, though. We stay cooler across the northern tier as well, but showers really across the state. As we head into tonight, we cool things down into the low 40s. Showers continue, and that wind initially stays west, but then will shift northward as we head to tomorrow. Tomorrow, that north wind means we cool things down just a little bit, high of 52 in State College. We could see an isolated shower here, but the majority of the shower activity is going to be confined to the southern tier of Pennsylvania, mostly clouds around across the northern tier, with temperatures even cooler in Erie, a high of 40 degrees as well. And when we take a look at the rest of the 7-day forecast, notice today is the warmest day on the 7-day. Then we start to cool things down a little bit. The rain returns in full force on Saturday, but we clear things out by Sunday morning. The only other chance of rainfall I have on here is a chance of an afternoon shower on Monday. We start to dry things up again for the work week on Tuesday, and temperatures remaining around average and mild for this time of year. For Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Tyler Hughes. Have a great rest of your Thursday.